Hi, welcome to this short presentation on deposit return systems or DRS. DRS is not just about managing waste, it's about handling resources in a sustainable way. It's a well-designed system that places a small deposit on a beverage container, which consumers get back when they return the packaging. The goal: to create a circular economy where valuable materials are returned, not wasted. Now, every DRS can be designed differently, and we've learned that only systems meeting certain key conditions are truly effective. That's what we will cover in the next few minutes. A fundamental characteristic of any strong DRS is its scope. Most systems focus on beverage containers, and that's very important. But the system must include all materials: plastic, glasses, aluminiums, and cartons. Why? Because if certain materials are excluded, producers might switch to non-regulated packaging, creating a free-riding effect and undermining the system. It is also crucial to include both single-use and reusable containers. If only reusables are covered, single-use containers gain an unfair advantage and reuse gets penalized. Another critical aspect is geography. A DRS should ideally cover an entire country or a well-defined, isolated region to prevent cross-border fraud. Other key features are convenience, motivation, high return rates, and transparency. A deposit return system isn't just a standalone product. It's a holistic ecosystem where every element is interconnected. Within this ecosystem, logistics play a fundamental role in connecting all parts of the system and ensuring efficiency and sustainability. A well-designed logistic network not only helps maintain high-quality material recovery, but also supports the system's overall inclusivity, accessibility, convenience, and high return rates. Most DRS are run by a central system operator, usually a non-profit organization that manages financial flows, logistics, reporting, and transparency. The system is funded through the sale of recovered materials, unclaimed deposits, and producer fees under extended producer responsibility frameworks. By internalizing the cost of responsible resource management within the producing and importing companies, the system ensures that the cost of dealing with abandoned packaging doesn't fall on municipalities and ultimately on the community. This also encourages companies to design these products in the most sustainable possible way. The DRS also generates green jobs, for example, in collection at retail and manual return points, at reverse logistics and dedicated transport, and in the sorting, reuse, and recycling. These roles must be fairly paid by the system itself. In many countries, waste pickers already recover many valuable materials. A DRS must not exclude or displace them. Instead, it should integrate them and recognize them into the formal system, involving them in policy design and consultation to ensure their voices are also heard. The type of return system matters. In regions where businesses are small and automation is challenging, manual return systems are the way to go. This opens up opportunities for waste pickers to become service providers as well within the DRS, using their existing skills and infrastructure. Regulation should reflect this by recognizing waste pickers not as isolated individuals, but as organized groups with valuable experience. This approach provides them with economic stability and real opportunities for growth and development. It's also important to build on the existing knowledge and capacities of these communities, not to replace them, but to empower them. Social inclusion is not an afterthought. It's a principle of design of a good DRS system. A DRS only works when backed by strong legislation. That means producers and importers are required to sell their products with a deposit. And retailers are obliged to accept return containers from consumers at no cost. Also, legal frameworks must define clear targets, roles, and enforcement mechanisms. While DRS can be embedded within broader EPR schemes, it must have its own dedicated legal structure to function effectively. A deposit return system is not just a technical solution. It's a powerful policy tool that supports reuse, recycling, and resource efficiency. It also reduces packaging waste, keeps high-quality materials in the economy, and creates fair jobs in the process. When well designed, a DRS helps build a circular economy in practice. Now it's your turn to use this as an inspiration to build your own presentation and explain what a good DRS looks like. Thank you.